In this video, I'll show you the new advanced text effects in Canva and how you can use them to create better-looking designs. Let's get started. All right, first add a text to your design. Type anything you want. Let's increase the size and make it center-aligned. Next, go to the Effects, scroll down, and here you'll see these new advanced effects. Just click on any effect to apply it. Each effect comes with different settings, so you can customize it however you like. You can also change the color of the text just like you normally do in Canva. Now let's increase the size a bit more and adjust the letter spacing to improve the overall look. Finally, you can also apply the basic effects on top of this. For example, right now the outline style is selected, but you can switch to other styles and customize them as needed. And that's how you can use the new text effects in Canva. Let me know which effect you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.